Before I get started, I just want to mention a few things that might help you understand these videos that I'm about to show a little bit better. I'll run through all the price ranges from a room rental all the way to a 3-bedroom. These prices are obviously affected, so I'm going to give you a range. The lower range is usually because of the area. So if you hear Flower Mill or Donovan, that's our lowest quality area of rental properties. So those often rent for a little bit less, and there's more chances of having issues with tenants there. That's where 85% of our landlord and tenant board disputes come from. The higher ranges will be better locations, but also the quality of the apartment and the size. So here are the ranges. If you're looking at a room rental, you're looking between $650 and $800 a month. That's for just a room where you're sharing a kitchen and a bathroom with other people that are renting rooms as well, often for students. For a bachelor, you're looking anywhere between $850, which is low quality unit in not a good area, and then you're looking all the way up to $1,050, maybe $1,100 if it's a really big bachelor and very unique. For a 1-bedroom apartment, it can be as low as $950 a month, but it can go all the way up to $1,300. Usually it's around the $1,100 to $1,200 mark is about the average. For a 2-bedroom on the low end, which would be a small and not the greatest area, that'd be about $1,200 for a 2-bedroom. And then on the higher end of the scale, you're looking at about $1,800, which would be a larger 2-bedroom and renovated. Your average 2-bedroom, you're looking at about $1,500 to $1,600. And that would be get you something quite nice, livable, and in a decent location. As for a 3-bedroom, you're looking at a minimum of $1,800 all the way up to $2,300. So 2,300 would be very renovated, looking awesome, and then the 1,800 will be again on the low end. So average, if you're looking, it's usually like if you're renting the top of a duplex in a decent area, you're looking at about 1,900 plus utilities often. So those are your ranges. I'm going to take you guys through these tours. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. If you're looking for a place or you're looking to buy, let me know. I will help you guys out. I have all the connections for all the property managers in Sudbury, and I can help you guys find something. Okay, I won't take too long on this one. This one is a unique one. We're gonna look at 2 bachelors. They're actually sharing a bathroom, but they're renovated. They have their own little kitchen and everything. So if you're looking for a lower budget, like $850 a month, this is what you'd be getting in a okay area. So here's one of the bachelor units. Newly renovated though. It's actually pretty nice. You got a closet, a kitchen with a little island, space to put some stuff here. And then you have a shared bathroom. So it's like, it's not completely done yet, but just to give you guys an idea. And then this one's a little tiny bit bigger, but not much. You got your little kitchenette here, nice big windows. And then your own entrance as well. So here's an example of a 1-bedroom in the Donovan. So this one has a few quirks and a few weird things to it, which I'll show you in a second. So that's why this one is only going for $950 to $1,000 plus utilities. So let's go for a quick tour. There's your entrance into the kitchen, your bottoms, and your countertop. So again, this part is not so bad. It has a smaller living room. But here's a huge reason why it is going for lower. You don't have a full shower. Like you can't stand in there. That's about 4 feet where that shower head is. And then a bedroom with a small closet. Okay, so here I'm standing in a 2-bedroom basement apartment. You can see the windows behind me. This is the downtown, kind of like Minnow Lake area, but this is a B area. So you can actually attract good tenants here. It's a 2-bedroom. This is 14 plus hydro. And it's, like I said, it's in a basement. It's in a quiet area, no backyard neighbors, but it's a little bit small and it has laundry in the house. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick tour. Living room here, big window, hardwood floors, into the kitchen. New flooring. You got the full bathroom here. And then one bedroom here, no closet in this one, a smaller bedroom. And this one with a closet. Next up, I'm at the 2-bedroom apartment in a B area, so an okay area of Sudbury. So this is what you can get for about 1,700 plus utilities, or 1,650, around that range. New kitchen, new flooring, 2nd floor, so it's a little bit of stairs to get up here. But all in all, nice place. Let's show you the tour. Living room with nice views. As you saw, the brand new kitchen. Down the hall, you got a brand new bathroom. Looks really good. And then bedroom. Again, not much backyard here. Bedroom number 2. And there's shared laundry down here. As you can see behind me, this room and this place is full of character. So I'm in the good part of the Donovan here. It's called Uptown. So this is a 2-bedroom. It's a large unit. As you can see, it's 2 bedrooms, a bathroom and a half, and a kitchen, obviously, for 18, all inclusive. 2 bedrooms in the Donovan. So let me take you for a quick tour. One of the bedrooms, 2 closets. This has a dining room and a living room. Here's the kitchen. Older cabinets, painted, but they look good with a nice countertop. So storage, there's the meters for the building. Another bedroom. Laundry here. This is just dirt. It'll be all cleaned up, obviously, before someone moves in. So here's the full bathroom. And I kind of missed it upstairs. There's a half bath by the entrance. So I'm standing here in one of my clients' basement apartments. So as you can see behind me, brand new, renovated. We're in Minnow Lake, so it's a good area to rent in, a B+, A- area where you can get great tenants. So this is a basement apartment, although it has pretty big windows, newly renovated. This one, they're hoping to get 19 plus utilities. So I'll give you a tour just so you guys can see what 19 plus utilities gets you here. So kitchen with a big island, brand new. You got the 2 bedrooms over there. Here's your large living room. You got the stairs for your entrance, just so you can see. They got their own laundry. Furnace is in that back room, so it's gas, heat. 1, 2 very large bedrooms, big windows, and then nice newly renovated bathroom. And you have your own separate entrance. So I'm standing here in another apartment. This is a 2 bedroom, 1 bath in the Flour Mill. So this is going for $1,400 all in. As you can see, there's some quirkiness to this one as well. On like different floorings, it's hot water heat. The ceiling is a little bit slanted. So this is $1,400. So I'll give you guys a quick tour. Walking in, that's the front door. I'm standing in the living room here. Right there. You see the rads. Here's your kitchen. I won't go in there, but that's just storage. And then you can see like some unfinished flooring. There's storage in the basement. I also won't go in there because it's unfinished. Then you go upstairs. Narrow stairs here. Then you have a bedroom here, slanted ceiling as you can see. Not that it's a bad thing, just to give you guys a full picture of what a 1400 unit goes for. Same thing here, this is a smaller bedroom. Older windows as well, and then here, updated bathroom. So here I'm standing in a 2-bedroom apartment in the Flour Mill. So Flour Mill, Donovan, very similar in terms of our lower end areas, so I call them C areas. So this is going for this is 2 bedrooms. It's a smaller 2-bedroom apartment upstairs, $1,250 all inclusive. So I'll take you guys for a quick tour. There's the entrance and kitchen. Living room. You can see some decent flooring. Go 1 bedroom. This is a smaller bedroom. Here's the bathroom. Nothing special, but it's in good shape. And then over here you got the larger bedroom. Parking in the back with a closet. If you're looking for a high-end 3-bedroom apartment with tons of amenities, this is the one that you're gonna wanna see. So this is what $2,350 plus utilities gets you in a good neighborhood here in Sudbury. It has tons of amenities like I was saying, so brand new kitchen, fully renovated, bathroom as well. Very large primary bedroom. There's laundry in this apartment as well. And then renovated bathroom and 2 other bedrooms. There's also a dining room. So there's lots to this place in this apartment that make it so it's worth $2,350. Here we go, let's go see the tour. Kitchen here. Into the dining room. Closet there, 1 bedroom, 2 bedrooms. Then you got the huge living room here that you're walking into. Brand new renovated bathroom, you can see really nice. And then we can walk into this large primary bedroom, like I was saying, with huge windows. There's your own electrical panel and the double closet. Thanks for watching. As I said, I'm Tristan Ritchie from Lake City Realty, and I would love to help you guys out if you have any questions. If you're moving to Sudbury and you need some contacts in the property management field, please let us know. If you're looking to buy a rental property or an investment property here in Sudbury, I have a team of agents that are qualified, that we do this all day. We've helped so many people buy properties, from people from Toronto to out of the country, out of the province. So if you need some help, we are the people to help you, and we would love to do that as well. Please like, comment, subscribe. That really, really helps, and I really appreciate it as well. So talk to you guys later.